What if I told you that right now, in 2026, there are people making $3,000, $5,000, even $10,000 a month, and they're doing less work than you are at your 9 to 5? I'm not talking about dropshipping. I'm not talking about crypto gambling. I'm talking about 7 lazy strategies, tested, working, and wide open right now, that most people have never even heard of. And the craziest part? You can start most of these today, with 0 experience and 0 upfront money. Stay until the end, because Method 7 is the one nobody's talking about, and it might be the easiest cash you'll ever make. I spent 3 months testing everything, the gimmicks, the scams, the stuff that used to work in 2019 but doesn't anymore. What I found were 7 methods that are perfectly positioned for 2026. AI is doing half the work. Automation is doing the other half. Your job? Set it up once and collect. Method number 1, AI-powered print on demand. And I mean actually lazy. Here's the old version. You'd spend hours designing t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Now, you describe a design to Midjourney or Adobe Firefly in 30 seconds, upload it to Printify or Redbubble, and you're done. The platform handles printing, shipping, and customer service. You don't touch a single package. I know people pulling $800 to $2,000 a month from niche stores they set up in a single afternoon. The key in 2026 is micro niches, not funny cat shirts. Think left-handed nurses who love hiking. The more specific, the less competition, the more you sell. Method 2, and yes, this actually works in 2026, faceless YouTube automation. You never show your face. You never record your voice if you don't want to. You use AI tools like 11 Labs for voiceover, Pictory, or InVideo for visuals, and ChatGPT to write the script. Best niches right now? Finance facts, historical mysteries, true crime breakdowns. Top 10 style content in evergreen topics. 1 channel in the abandoned places niche, 0 face, AI voice, hit 100,000 subscribers in 8 months, and monetized at around $4,000 a month. The content machine runs itself. Is it instant? No. But is it lazy once it's running? Absolutely. Method 3 is one most people sleep on: digital product flipping. You buy PLR, that's private label rights, content, ebooks, courses, templates. You pay $10 to $30 for something. You rebrand it, repackage it with a better title and better design, list it on Etsy or Gumroad, and sell it for $27 to $97. No creation, no expertise required. The content already exists. You're just the marketer. One seller on Etsy flips PLR planners and journals. She has 200 listings, earns about $3,500 a month. Her work each week, maybe 4 hours of uploading and tweaking cover designs. Getting value in this video? Kindly hit the subscribe button. We want to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of May. Help us get there. Method 4, selling Notion templates, and the market is still massively underserved. Notion is used by millions of students, entrepreneurs, and remote workers. They desperately want pre-built systems for their life and business, and they'll pay $9 to $49 for a template that saves them time. A second-year college student built a Student Life OS template on Gumroad. No audience, no ads. Just Pinterest SEO and a Reddit post. She made $11,000 in her first year. You make it once. It sells forever. That's the definition of lazy income. Method 5, affiliate marketing, but not the old way. Forget building a blog and waiting 2 years for Google traffic. In 2026, the move is short-form affiliate content. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, AI scripted, AI edited, posted in bulk. You pick a product you believe in. You sign up for their affiliate program. Amazon, ClickBank, Share a Sale, doesn't matter. You post 30-second problem solution videos. Every view is a potential commission. One creator does nothing but review productivity apps on Shorts. Barely 12,000 followers. Makes $2,800 a month in affiliate commissions because the intent on those searches is buying intent. Method 6. And this one genuinely blew my mind when I first discovered it. Renting digital assets. Think of it like Airbnb, but instead of a house, you're renting out domain names, websites, or even social media accounts to local businesses. You build a simple local SEO website, like bestplumberdenver.com. You rank it on Google. Then you rent the leads it generates to an actual plumber for $300 to $800 a month. Or you build a niche Instagram page to 10,000 followers. Rent out shout-out slots to brands for $150 to $500 per post. Set up once. Collect monthly. That's the model. And method 7. The one I promised you'd want to hear. Cashback and reward stacking. This is the laziest money you'll ever make because you're spending anyway. The system. Use a high-tier cashback credit card like Chase Sapphire or Amex Blue Cash. Stack it with apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Ibotta. Buy through portals, earn points, redeem for cash, travel, or gift cards. Power users are earning $300 to $600 a month in pure stacked rewards on groceries, gas, and Amazon purchases they were already making. Is it passive income? It's negative effort income. You were going to spend that money anyway. So there you go. 7 lazy ways to make money online in 2026. None of them require a boss, none require a degree, and all of them can start today. Link is in the description for more educational videos on how to build real wealth from nothing in 2026. Subscribe. Help us get to 1,000 subscribers. Hit the bell. And I'll see you in the next one, where I show you how to turn Method 2 into a full-time income in under 90 days.